what should I eat to break a fast with? So this answer depends on how long you've been fasting. So for a 16 to even a 24-hour fast, you can really eat whatever you want to break the fast.
Yeah.
And when you get up to 48 or more hours, then you want to be a little bit gentler at how you break a fast.
Yeah, you don't want to use a whole bunch of fats or anything like, anything that's really going to tax your digestion. So when I've come off of longer fasts, I like to start with bone broth. And then I will, maybe an hour or two later, start to add in some solid foods or something very gentle on the stomach. Now, if you go a really long time, and I think it was Pure Cocaine who said that he was coming off of a vegan diet, and you start eating meat, that's going to be scary bathroom time. Because your body doesn't have the enzymes to break that down. You're probably not producing as much bile as you would need to break down those harder to digest foods. So you really need to baby step it, especially
start slow.
Especially the longer you've been off, especially with meat, things that are hard to break down. Chew very well as well.
So, and that's the reason you should come off, backing up, is longer fasts, your body stops producing the digestive enzymes because it's not expecting food anymore. Is that true?
Yeah. Absolutely.
So can you talk a little bit about what happens, like the processes that shut down during a fast?
So, yeah, you stop producing as much bile. I stopped having bowel movements after about day 4 or 5.
Is that when you saw your hair growth slow?
Yeah. So my hair growth slowed. I just kind of felt not lethargic, but I felt like everything was slowing down, almost more like time was slowing down. Because you just notice more because you're not thinking about food as much. So yeah, my hair growth slowed down. I didn't have to shave as often. Like I said, I didn't have a bowel movement for probably 10 days, which was really strange because it's something you get used to doing at a certain time of day for a lot of people. What else?
And so he did 17 and a half days, and that was really for 2 reasons. It was a mental challenge for you.
Yeah.
But it was also to really promote autophagy. Did I say it right?
Yeah. Autophagy. Autophagy.
Yeah.
Sure.
So, and that process is really when you're allowing your body to clean up and like basically recycle cells in your body that, like, some cells in your body are damaged and they need to be destroyed and recycled. And so when you do a longer term fast like that, you promote that process. You allow your body time to do that.
Yeah. And a lot of people worry that a longer fast is going to break down muscle mass. Now, yeah, I actually did lose some muscle. But once I started eating again and went back to my regular workout routine, I actually now have more muscle mass after it's been 5 months. I have more muscle mass now than before I started. And I felt good before I started too. So it was like a complete reset for me. And the more I look back on that, the more I'm glad that I did it. I don't know if I'll go 17 and a half days again, but I might do a longer 7 or 10 day fast, around twice a year. So.
Yeah, and at Metabolic Health Summit, we expect to learn quite a bit about fasting.
Yes.
And some of the new science and research. So we'll be talking more about that.